How to fix Wi-Fi connected to device can provide internet issue on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to fix Wi-Fi connected to device what can provide internet issues on Android. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to check if the internet is working on other devices. Connect another device to the same Wi-Fi network to see if the issue is specific to your Android phone or not. After that, you need to switch network, connect to another Wi-Fi network or use mobile data to test internet connectivity. The second step you need to follow is simply disable and re-enable Wi-Fi. Go to quick setting menu and toggle Wi-Fi off. And after a few minutes, you need to turn back it on. You can even forget and reconnect your Wi-Fi. To do that, head over the settings. Now choose Wi-Fi. Simply tap on the eye icon next to your saved networks and tap on forget and you can easily remove this Wi-Fi and reconnect it using the password. Once you have done that, you need to restart your device and router. Hold the power button on your device and select restart button. Power off your router for 30 seconds and turn it back on. By doing so, you need to check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If not yet, you can easily disable VPN if you are using a VPN. Turn it off and check the connection. Move closer to the router to ensure a strong signal, and by following this step, this issue should be resolved. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.